Budget phones have come a long way. We have gone from laggy screens and plastic builds to ones that now offer features that were only restricted to more expensive models. And while specs keep improving, the one thing that still feels rare in this price segment is a good display. That's precisely where the Lava Blaze AMOLED 2 steps in. The Blaze AMOLED 2 makes a quiet but confident entry in the budget segment. It follows Lava's linear design, which is minimalist, neat, and surprisingly refined for its price. We used the midnight black variant for a few days. We found the shimmery finish and the flat edges that offer the phone a stylish look. However, it picks up fingerprints and dust quite easily, which were quite evident after a sweaty metro ride. At just 7.5 mm thickness and weighing 174 grams, it's light enough to forget in your pocket but sturdy enough not to feel cheap. Available in two color options, feather white and midnight black, it offers variety without flashiness. Lava's free service at home also adds a nice layer of post-sale peace of mind, especially if you are not from metro cities. Up front, the 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with full HD resolution and 120 Hz of refresh rate feels quite smooth. We scrolled through social media, watched a few reels, and even streamed a short YouTube movie. And the phone handled everything crisply with vibrant colors. The in-display fingerprint sensor is also quick and accurate, though it may take a moment to register when your thumb is damp. Now this is where the Blaze AMOLED 2 throws a curveball. Under Rs 15,000, the Dimensity 7050 chip, which is rare at this price, powers everyday tasks with ease on this phone. We use the phone for basic multitasking, Spotify running in the background, Chrome tabs open, and Instagram stories being loaded. We didn't notice any stutter or had to make any forced restarts while all of this was running in the background. But what really stood out was the software experience. No bloat, no pop-ups. It runs stock Android 15 out of the box and feels clean just the way you want it. Lava also promises one major Android update and 2 years of security patches, which brings some peace of mind even in the budget segment. The 50MP Sony sensor performs well in daylight. During a late afternoon stroll, we snapped some plants, close-ups, and street shots. And colors were natural and details were preserved well enough for social media sharing. Portrait mode works surprisingly well, especially on pets and objects. Meanwhile, the 8MP selfie camera won't blow you away, but it delivers serviceable results for video calls and Instagram stories. Low light shots clicked on this phone are a hit or miss. The night mode helps a bit, but don't expect flagship level clarity. A full charge will get you through the day, no drama. Once we left the house at 9 AM with about 85% of the charge and used Google Maps, streamed music via Bluetooth, browsed Reddit, and ended the day with 20% to spare. When we did need a top-up, the 33-watt fast charger got us from 10 to 50% in about 30 minutes. This feature comes in handy if you're in a rush before heading out. Stereo speakers were loud enough for watching reels without needing earbuds. And the IP64 rating meant we don't have to panic during a short drizzle. Face unlock on this phone was fast in daylight, and the internal cooling chamber kept the phone from heating up during longer sessions of casual gaming. The Lava Blaze AMOLED 2 is an everyday friendly phone that doesn't try to do too much, and that works in its favor. With a clean interface, dependable performance, and a few smart touches like the AMOLED panel and the IP64 rating, it holds its own under Rs 15,000. So, what are your thoughts on the Blaze AMOLED 2? Would you consider it at this price? Let us know in the comment section below. और हाँ, टेक की और ऐसी फर्स्ट लुक्स और रिव्यूज़ के लिए वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।